Have you ever thought about building a garage out of a shipping container? A concept that's been gaining traction for its unique blend of practicality, durability, and affordability. This is your ultimate guide to shipping container garages in 2024. Let's begin by exploring what makes a shipping container garage so appealing. First off, shipping containers are robust. Designed to withstand the high seas, they're constructed from weather-resistant steel that can stand up to the harshest of environments. This makes them a durable choice for a garage. Affordability is another key factor. Shipping containers are significantly cheaper than constructing a traditional garage from scratch. Plus, they're readily available worldwide. And with a bit of creativity, they can be transformed into a functional and stylish space. Ease of modification is another advantage. With the right tools and some DIY expertise, a shipping container can be converted into a custom garage that suits your exact needs. Whether you're looking for a spacious two-car garage, a compact shed for your tools, or a luxury carport, the possibilities are endless. Now let's delve into the step-by-step process of building a shipping container garage. Step 1. Planning. This involves deciding on the size and layout of your garage, obtaining the necessary permits, and preparing the site. Step 2. Procuring the container. Ensure it's in good condition and the right dimensions for your needs. Step 3. Site preparation. This includes leveling the ground and laying a concrete foundation to ensure stability. Step 4. Modifying the container. This could involve cutting out doors and windows, insulating the interior, or installing electrical and plumbing systems. Step 5. Installation. This is where the container is positioned on the foundation and secured in place. Step 6. Finishing touches. Add shelving, install lighting, paint the exterior, make it your own. Now, while shipping container garages have many benefits, it's important to be aware of potential drawbacks. These may include limited size, potential homeowner association restrictions, difficulty in moving the garage once installed, and the container's potential to absorb heat. To summarize, shipping container garages are a durable, affordable, and customizable alternative to traditional garages. They can be modified to suit a range of needs, from a simple shed to a two-car garage. However, potential limitations and restrictions need to be considered. So, if you're seeking a unique, cost-effective solution for your garage needs, why not consider the humble shipping container? With a little creativity and planning, it could be just what you're looking for.